Hey there, fitness warriors. Are you trying to burn off stubborn fat, but worried about losing your hard-earned muscle in the process? You're not alone. The truth is, it is possible to get leaner without sacrificing muscle. In this video, I'll break down 5 science-backed strategies to help you torch fat while keeping your muscle gains safe. Let's get into it. 1. Prioritize strength training over cardio. When people think of fat loss, they often rush to do hours of cardio. But here's the truth. Lifting weights is your muscle-preserving weapon. Resistance training signals your body to hold on to muscle even while in a calorie deficit. Cardio burns calories, yes, but if it's your only tool, you risk losing muscle mass alongside fat. Instead, focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses 3 to 5 times a week. Make sure your weights are still challenging. If you're lifting lighter just because you're dieting, stop. Your body will think those muscles aren't needed anymore. Use progressive overload when possible. Remember, you're not training to just burn fat. You're training to keep your strength and shape. Bonus tip. You can sprinkle in short bursts of HIIT, high-intensity interval training, 1 to 2 times per week to boost fat loss while minimizing muscle breakdown. 2. Eat a high-protein diet. Nutrition is everything when it comes to body composition. And if you want to lose fat without losing muscle, you need to protect your muscle with protein. Aim for at least 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight per day. This helps your muscles repair and grow, especially during a calorie deficit. Protein also boosts your metabolism because of its high thermic effect. That means you burn more calories just digesting protein compared to carbs or fats. Plus, protein keeps you full longer, reducing cravings and helping you stick to your diet without binging. Sources like chicken breast, Greek yogurt, whey protein, tofu, lentils, and eggs are all great choices. Try to distribute your protein intake across your meals throughout the day for maximum absorption. Missing out on this step? You're not giving your muscles the fuel they need to survive fat loss mode. 3. Don't slash calories too aggressively. Crash dieting is one of the worst things you can do for your muscle mass. When your calorie deficit is too large, your body starts breaking down muscle tissue for energy. The goal is to lose fat gradually, not rapidly. A moderate calorie deficit, around 300 to 500 calories per day, is ideal for preserving lean mass. You might not see dramatic drops on the scale every day, but you'll see steady fat loss over time without the burnout. Plus, extreme deficits can mess with your hormones, energy levels, and even your mental clarity. Track your intake carefully and adjust as needed. Use apps or a food journal, and remember, sustainability beats intensity. Think long-term, not just for summer or an event. This is a lifestyle, not a punishment. 4. Get enough sleep and manage stress. You can train and eat right, but if your recovery game is off, your body won't cooperate. Sleep and stress play a massive role in fat loss and muscle retention. When you sleep less than 6 to 7 hours consistently, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage and muscle breakdown. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which helps with muscle repair and fat metabolism. So if you're skimping on sleep, you're literally sabotaging your results. The same goes for stress. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol, poor workout recovery, emotional eating, and lack of motivation. Try meditation, breathwork, nature walks, or journaling to manage it better. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Prioritize your bedtime routine like you would your workouts. No muscle grows or fat burns optimally without solid recovery. 5. Track progress beyond the scale. Here's the trap many fall into, thinking fat loss equals lower numbers on the scale. But if you're gaining muscle and losing fat at the same time, the scale might stay the same or even go up slightly. That's why it's crucial to use other tracking methods. Take weekly progress photos. Measure your waist, hips, arms, and thighs with a tape. Pay attention to how your clothes fit. Track your strength in the gym. These indicators tell a much clearer story of what's happening in your body. Also, consider using body composition tools like smart scales or DEXA scans if you have access. The mirror in your energy levels are often more honest than the numbers on a scale. Muscle is dense and beautiful, The goal is to recompose, not just shrink. So don't let a scale discourage you from seeing real change. So there you have it, 5 proven strategies to help you lose fat without losing your precious muscle. It's all about smart training, consistent protein, manageable dieting, solid recovery, and smart tracking. Stay patient and trust the process. Your dream physique is built through strategy, not starvation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone on a fitness journey.